Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van showroom walk around. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is the ultimate combination of innovation, performance, and versatility. Designed to meet the needs of businesses, adventurers, and everyday drivers, this van redefines what it means to be a premium commercial vehicle. With its bold and refined exterior, the 2025 Sprinter stands out on the road. The aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency, while the signature front grille and LED headlights provide a modern and sophisticated look. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to ensure a powerful presence, from the sculpted body lines to the durable yet stylish alloy wheels. The large sliding side door and rear cargo doors offer easy access, making loading and unloading more convenient than ever. Inside, the 2025 Sprinter is built for comfort and functionality. The driver's cabin is equipped with high-quality materials and advanced technology to create a seamless and intuitive driving experience. Premium seating with ergonomic support ensures long-distance comfort, while a state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps drivers connected on the go. The touchscreen display integrates with smartphone connectivity, allowing easy access to navigation, communication, and entertainment features. A high-resolution digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information, ensuring complete control at all times. Power and efficiency define the 2025 Sprinter's performance. A range of powerful yet fuel-efficient engine options, including diesel and electric variants, ensures that every driver can find the perfect balance between capability and sustainability. The advanced transmission system delivers smooth and responsive acceleration, while intelligent all-wheel drive technology enhances traction and stability in all conditions. Whether navigating city streets, highways, or rough terrain, the Sprinter adapts effortlessly to any environment. The refined suspension system ensures a comfortable and controlled ride, reducing vibrations and improving overall handling. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Sprinter, with an array of cutting-edge driver assistance features designed to protect occupants and enhance confidence behind the wheel. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe following distance, while lane keeping assist helps prevent unintentional drifting. Blind spot monitoring provides additional awareness, reducing the risk of collisions when changing lanes. Automatic emergency braking responds to potential hazards, ensuring quick reaction times in critical situations. The 360-degree camera system offers a comprehensive view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Versatility is at the heart of the 2025 Sprinter, catering to a wide range of industries and lifestyles. Whether used for cargo transport, passenger shuttles, or customized camper conversions, this van offers unparalleled adaptability. Multiple body configurations, including standard, high roof, and extended wheelbase options, allow for maximum storage capacity and comfort. The cargo area is designed for efficiency, with a reinforced floor, secure tie-down points, and ample space to accommodate various loads. The rear doors open wide to facilitate loading, while the low step in height enhances accessibility. Connectivity and convenience play a significant role in the 2025 Sprinter's appeal. The advanced infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Mercedes-Benz's intelligent software, offering voice-activated controls, real-time traffic updates, and remote vehicle monitoring. Wireless charging and multiple USB ports ensure that devices stay powered throughout the journey. The intuitive climate control system maintains a comfortable cabin temperature, adapting to changing weather conditions automatically. Smart keyless entry and push-button start add an extra layer of convenience, making everyday operations effortless. The electric variant of the 2025 Sprinter represents a new era of sustainable mobility. With zero emissions and advanced battery technology, this model offers an eco-friendly solution without compromising performance. Fast charging capabilities ensure minimal downtime, making it ideal for businesses and fleet operations looking to reduce their environmental impact. Regenerative braking technology enhances energy efficiency, converting kinetic energy into power for extended driving range. The quiet and smooth operation of the electric Sprinter provides a refined driving experience, perfect for urban deliveries and long-distance travel. Customization options allow owners to tailor the 2025 Sprinter to their specific needs. From specialized shelving and storage solutions for commercial use to luxury seating and entertainment systems for passenger transport, the possibilities are endless. Mercedes-Benz offers a wide range of factory-installed accessories and aftermarket modifications, ensuring that every Sprinter is uniquely suited to its purpose. Exterior color choices, premium upholstery options, and advanced security features provide further personalization, allowing businesses and individuals to create a van that aligns with their brand and lifestyle. Durability and reliability are key aspects of the 2025 Sprinter's design. Built with high-quality materials and engineered to withstand the demands of daily use, this van is designed for longevity. Advanced corrosion protection and weather-resistant coatings ensure that it remains in top condition even in harsh environments. The reinforced chassis and high-strength body structure provide exceptional durability, making it a trusted choice for industries that rely on dependable transportation. Routine maintenance is simplified with smart diagnostics and remote service monitoring, allowing for proactive vehicle care and minimal downtime. Innovation drives every aspect of the 2025 Sprinter. The integration of artificial intelligence and smart automation enhances both efficiency and convenience. Over-the-air software updates keep the vehicle's systems up to date, continuously improving performance and functionality. The intelligent voice assistant allows hands-free control of navigation, communication, and entertainment, creating a safer and more intuitive driving experience. Enhanced data analytics help fleet managers monitor vehicle performance, optimize routes, and improve overall efficiency. Passenger comfort is a priority in the 2025 Sprinter, making it an ideal choice for shuttle services and executive transportation. Spacious seating arrangements, plush upholstery, and noise-reducing insulation create a refined and relaxing environment. Large windows provide panoramic views, enhancing the travel experience. Rear passengers benefit from individual climate controls, entertainment screens, and USB charging ports, ensuring a first-class journey. The flexible seating configurations allow for maximum occupancy without compromising comfort, making the Sprinter a preferred choice for group travel. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to excellence extends beyond the vehicle itself, offering exceptional customer service and support. Comprehensive warranty coverage and maintenance packages provide peace of mind, ensuring that owners receive the highest level of care. The Mercedes-Benz service network offers expert assistance, genuine parts, and specialized diagnostics to keep the Sprinter performing at its best. Roadside assistance and emergency response services further enhance security and reliability, reinforcing the brand's dedication to customer satisfaction. The 2025 Sprinter is not just a van, it is a statement of quality, performance, and innovation. Whether used for business, adventure, or personal transport, it delivers an unmatched combination of versatility and luxury. Designed to meet the evolving needs of modern drivers, it sets new standards in efficiency, connectivity, and safety. As a leader in its class, the Sprinter continues to define the future of commercial and passenger transportation. Experience the future of mobility with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. From its powerful performance and intelligent technology to its luxurious comfort and practical versatility, this van is designed to exceed expectations. Whether navigating city streets, transporting passengers, or embarking on long-distance journeys, it provides a driving experience that is both effortless and enjoyable. Built for those who demand the best, the Sprinter is more than just a vehicle, it is a trusted partner in every journey. With its legacy of excellence and commitment to innovation, the 2025 Sprinter reaffirms Mercedes-Benz's position as a leader in the automotive industry. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.